Hi, my name's Eva and I love playing football. I love watching the Irish women's team and my favourite memory is seeing them playing the World Cup. I'm really excited to meet one of my favourite players, Áine O'Gorman, and to sit down and talk to her about her football career and like how she got into football. Hi Áine.
Hi Eva, how are you? Nice to meet you. Do you want to go get your nails done? Yeah, let's do it.
So you play in the League of Ireland, like what team do you play for and like how does it feel like?
Last season I joined Shamrock Rovers women's team and they were coming in as the first professional team in the league, so obviously that was a standout moment and something that I wanted to be part of. The League of Ireland and the league here is something I'm really passionate about.
So what was it like playing for Ireland? Like, how did it feel like?
I suppose it's kind of hard to put it into words. How much it feels and means to represent obviously your country and your family and friends, and obviously to play in the World Cup as well was.
Was that your favourite like moment?
Yeah, a dream come true. I think it's something you dream of as a kid, and to live it was just amazing. Did you have fun watching it?
Yeah, it was really good.
Yeah.
We had a party for the Australia match where we like most of our club came up and watched it in the clubhouse. Did you ever get to meet your football idol?
Well, actually, Roy Keane came into the changing room one time. We played a game against Russia. It didn't go so well, so he was brutally honest when he came in. So, and then obviously I have a lot of idols in the women's game as well. The likes of Katie Taylor, played a few times when I was in the Irish setup, and Olivia O'Toole as well. Who's your footballing idol?
On the women's team, probably Denise O'Sullivan or Katie McCabe. I do like Courtney Brosnan though. She's really good.
Courtney's been brilliant.
Yeah. What would you say to someone my age who wants to become a professional football player?
So keep working hard, practice every day, especially the things maybe you're not so good at the moment. Listen to your coaches, and most importantly, keep enjoying playing.
Thanks so much, that was really fun.
No problem, enjoyed it.